Hi, so as you can see I have a prop for today's tips, and the prop of course is a football, which of course tells you that we're going to learn some vocabulary to do with football, or as the Americans call it, soccer. Alright, now the first one of course is the typical one, to score a goal, to put the ball in the back of the net. Just like Maradona scored one of the most amazing goals of all time in the 1986 World Cup against England, of course. He dribbled all the way from one end of the pitch to the other and scored a goal. In order to score the goal, he had to put the ball in the goal. And the goal, of course, in English is the physical goal, with the 3 poles and the net at the back. Now, if you wish to get the ball inside the goal, you're going to have to do something else. Of course, you're going to have to shoot. Now, the majority of the shooting, which is to kick the ball in the direction of the goal and hope to score, is done, of course, by the forwards or the midfielders. Now, you can score amazing goals of all types. Probably one of the most spectacular ways of scoring a goal is the volley. This is when the ball arrives in the mid-air and the football player kicks it while it is in the air. Marc van Basten, one of the great Dutch footballers, was an expert at volleying the ball. And finally, if you want to score a really special goal, maybe you want to score it with your head. And this, of course, is called a header. So you head the ball and hope that you score a goal. So whether it is head the ball or volley the ball at the goal, let's hope that the goalkeeper doesn't stop it so that you can score a goal.